Did you know that one product could literally change your life? In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to find it and start making bank fast. I'm even gonna show you the #1 mistake that people make when they're picking products and how you can avoid it. Oh, and if you stay to the end, I'll reveal my #1 tool that almost guarantees that your product will be a winner. And trust me, you don't wanna miss it. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Asia Afston. I'm CEO of the Lux Life Academy, and I have helped over 3,000 students become digital entrepreneurs, launch passive income businesses, and become self-employed. So do yourself a favor and stick around to the end of this video so that you can find out how to choose successful dropshipping products the first time and make your store a success. Did you know that 80% of dropshipping businesses fail because they can't pick the right product? Well, I'm gonna show you how to get in the 20%. That's where you wanna be. Product selection is simply the process of going from the millions of products offered out there to the ones that you're going to keep selling in your business starting right now. Now it's time to confess. Have you ever spent hours on end scrolling through AliExpress, Amazon, or Temu, clueless about what product to pick? Yeah, I've been there too, but that was before I cracked the code. Drop in the comments below. Tell me, how do you usually find your products? Do you guess? Do you use what somebody else is using? Do you use a tool? Or are you doom scrolling all night long on Temu? It's okay. This is a safe space. Let me know, because I'm going to change how you search for your product forever. I'm gonna show you how to use my favorite tool, Google Trends, and then I'll reveal the #1 mistake you're probably making when it comes to product selection. So first, let's get into Google Trends. Google Trends is basically Google's real-time record of what everyone is searching on the internet, and it helps you to see what's trending up versus what's dying. Take Pilates, for example. It is super consistent across the board. Pilates doesn't go up or down too much. But let's look at pickleball. Pickleball is exploding on Google Trends. And if you're like me and you live in a city like Miami, pickleball is exploding in real life. They're literally building courts all over the city. Now, in contrast, let's look at fidget spinners. The decline of fidget spinners is real. For a moment, they were the biggest thing on earth, and now they're kind of nowhere. So why does this matter? You don't want to start a business based around a thing that is dying, that no one's searching for. It's like starting a newspaper business in 2024. Sure, newspapers are still around, but are they booming? Are they growing? No. So we don't want to start our business with something that is already behind the 8 ball. Google Trends lets you easily see what's trending, what's hot, and what's not based on real search times from real people. Another way to find out if something is hot is to see what your competitors are doing. What are they selling? What are they posting about on the internet? What are they posting about on their Instagram stories? What are they emailing you about? Are they saying, hey, don't worry, this product is out of stock right now, but it'll be back soon? Paying attention to stuff like that is such a massive clue. If it's selling out for your competitors, maybe that's a product that you should investigate selling for yourself. And now for the biggest mistake that I see beginners make when they are starting their dropshipping business. Drum roll. Drum roll, please. It's selling what you like. Stop selling based on your personal interests. Your dropshipping store is not about you. It's about your customers. If you only stick to items that you know, that you love, that you use, you're in trouble. You're missing out on gobs and gobs of amazing products that would sell like hotcakes. Instead, it's time to start selling based on market demands and not your personal preferences. Let me show you a killer example of a high profit potential product. Now, this item, this baby backpack, sells to us, the dropshipper, for between $2 and $20, depending on the supplier and the style that you find. And people are reselling it on their websites for between 70 and 80 bucks. That is a 500% markup of profit potential in your pocket. That is massive. And keep in mind here that the details matter. Small things like better photo quality, including videos instead of just still images, and writing killer product descriptions can make a huge impact on your success. Like, look at this example. Company A is selling the same baby backpack for 30 bucks. Company B, they've doubled the price, added bundle savings deals, and a preloaded cart that has an additional $300 in suggested products, all on the same page. Can you see why Company B is absolutely going to make more money than Company A? The price of the item is not the only thing that determines whether someone will buy or not, and ultimately how much money each person is going to spend. Now, let's get personal for a second here. Let's tell the truth. Drop a comment below if you've ever been discouraged by competition. I know I was when I started out as a beginner. It's okay, it happens to us all, but I'm going to tell you how to beat your competition in just a second. All right, now it's time for the supplier challenge. Finding a supplier can feel like you are hunting through the jungle for buried treasure. But don't worry, I'm gonna give you a map so you can avoid scams and headaches. Here's what you need to look for in a good supplier. Number 1, free shipping. Number 2, fast delivery. And number 3, free returns if the package is lost, damaged, or stolen for up to 90 days. Yes, all of these are must when you're first starting out. It saves you so much money and so many customer service nightmares. Now, before we get out of here, drop the product that you're thinking about selling in the comments and I'll let you know if it's a winner. And if you want to learn more about how to fast track your success in the world of dropshipping, I got you. I've got my full free training. It is a playbook to dropshipping domination. And if you just click the link below, I'm giving it away to you for free. It's packed with insider tips that'll help you fast track your success. The link is below, so don't miss out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for even more hot tips on how to crush it in the dropshipping world. See you next time. Peace.